Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to change currency on Zendrop. So first is you have to open your Shopify store. Then once you're here, you just have to click on the settings. So this one at the bottom left corner of your screen. So make sure that you are in your home page and then click on settings. Now, right here, just have to go to your store details. So when you open your settings, you'll be directed to your store details by default. So if not, just go to your store details. So right here, just have to scroll down and look for your store currency. So this section right here. Now just have to click on these three dots and then click on change store currency. So currently I have my Philippine peso. To change it, just click on it. And then right here, you just have to select your country for the currency that you need. So for example, US dollar. And after that, you will then just have to click on save. And then once it's done, as you can see, I have successfully changed my store currency. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.